AP automation works by replacing manual invoice and payment tasks with a connected digital workflow that moves invoices from receipt to payment automatically. At a basic level, AP automation software digitizes invoice data, applies business rules, and routes invoices through approvals without relying on paper or manual handoffs. Invoices are received electronically or scanned and captured automatically. The system extracts key data and matches invoices to purchase orders, receipts, or contracts. Once validated, invoices are routed through predefined approval workflows, where approvers can review and approve from any device. After approval, invoice data is synced with the ERP system to ensure accuracy and audit readiness. Payments are then scheduled and issued electronically based on company preferences. Modern AP automation often uses artificial intelligence to reduce exceptions, flag anomalies, and improve accuracy over time, allowing more invoices to flow through with minimal manual intervention. By automating each step of the process, AP automation reduces delays, improves visibility, and gives finance teams more control over invoice processing and payments. AP automation works by connecting invoice capture, approvals, ERP systems, and payments into one streamlined digital workflow, giving finance teams greater speed, visibility, and control across the entire invoice-to-pay process.